So it's likely you guys have heard of WhistlinDiesel. He's basically kind of like the redneck Mr. Beast. He destroys Ferraris, shoots missiles out of tanks, and turns trucks into like monster trucks. And last night, it snowed about 2 feet here. But this prompted a pretty big idea. With all the snow here, what can I go do? But I wanted to take it one step further, and I happen to own a Surron, which is basically an electric dirt bike. I've never done this before. Literally just Googled dirt bikes in the snow to see if it's possible, and I came across this guy. His videos are insane. Like, he's on a dirt bike, ripping. I would say this guy is the WhistlinDiesel of maybe just Europe. This dude, when he's riding, I'll pull up a video while I'm saying this, but this dude when he's riding is just full throttle through the woods. Guy is an absolute beast. Just seeing that he can do it, I was like, oh, bet. Like, I'm gonna make a video like that too. So I did. Without further ado, enjoy me ripping the Surron in 2 feet of snow. Alone in the woods of Colorado. Peace.
Captain Crunch presents.
Show you guys this. Last night we got so much snow it broke the tent. It's supposed to be pitched upward. Now it's pitched downward. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then we're gonna go ride the Surron in the snow. Last night I was planning this video and I was like, dude, I need to do this. And I came across this one dude on YouTube and he absolutely rips. So I spent like 3 hours watching his videos. I don't think I could ever keep up with him, but that dude makes some sick videos that inspired this video. I'm about to eat, and then we're gone. So, I'll see you guys on the Surron. This is sick. My toes are a little bit chilly. I don't think it's this way. We are basically going this way though. Is it this? I think. Oh, it definitely is this. Let's go. Detour, are you kidding me? Oh. 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 No way I can't go all the way through this. Oh, I have to go that way. Dude, I'm definitely not going the right way. Fuck. Fully blind turn, are you kidding me? This is the sketchiest turn ever, bro. Okay, we're clear. Oh! I just fucking popped my balls. Doesn't look like anyone's walking this. See if I can get over. Bro, there's no way I make it. Oh. What the fuck? I cannot do that. We're going over freaking ice barrels. Oh. Oh, my hands are burning. I wonder if that's open. I don't know what this is, but if that road's closed, might as well run this. Oh, my brakes are so wet. Can I make that? Holy fuck, how is this happening? What? What? There's no way it makes up this hill though. Bro, there's no way. Dude, that was gonna be so sick. Surron on X Games mode. Look what I just climbed. Literally just like nothingness. It honestly performs way better in deep snow than this icy crap. I didn't think it was that deep. So it looks like that whole trail is like actually closed. Not because there's too much snow, but the fucking plows plowed over the road and it's all ice chunks, so. This is sick. Even though the trail's closed, it's still a fun ride. It's kind of ripping. For it being cold weather, this thing's cranking. Yes, sir. I'm really praying we can find some like open snow areas so we can just fucking cook up them. Oh my god. Dude, this is pretty sick though. This view's insane. I don't know if you guys can see my bike or my view, but if it's the freaking both, that'd be dope. This is sick. Trying to make it up. I think I got it. Right. Right? Kind of sick. Let's go. That was sick. Dude, the deep snow like this feels really good. Like anywhere on the side feels great. Man, oh man. Gotta put some other gloves on really quick. Hands are freaking toast right now. Okay. It's pretty sick. I'd consider this ride a dub. I think we've got
gotten our good reactions and we've gotten our scowling looks and whatnot, so. This is so sick. What's up, little man? Howdy.
Wild ride.
Dude, it's pretty sick. I didn't think it was gonna work out, but it's way easier to go fast than slow.
I bet.
Slow, I'm like, but if I'm going, I can like pitch it and go probably straight up, you know, so.
Just ride on top of it almost.
Yeah, like it just like surfs. Like if I go straight through, I don't know where the trailhead is, but I think it's right here. You know, like it just goes straight.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy. I don't have any sand fins on it or anything.
What are sand fins? Are the fins on the tires or is it?
Yeah, like if you had fins, they'd be like right on the tires. They'd be like flaps almost. And I feel like it would be good for here. But right now I'm just kind of riding. I might just try to go up, take a little U at the tree and come back.
Somebody might bark at you, but there's a good uphill on the other side of Lee Hill here.
Mm.
And that'd be super fun on that. There's a steep up and then you can do all sorts of stuff over there.
Sweet. Yeah, definitely check that out. Thank you. Oh. Oh. This is dope. Oh! Dude, this is crazy. It really likes the deeps now. Oh, dude, I'm just going up, bro. What? Is he gonna make it? Oh my God. Dude, what? No way. No way, it just broke. Oh, no, we're good. Man, we did some carnage. Holy. Now I know freaking, instead of going skiing, I'll just go surroning. Dude, what? Like, I bet I could just go straight through. Can I ask you for a favor? Can you take a picture?
Sorry?
Can you take a picture?
Of you?
Yeah. I just need a thumbnail from
What's your channel?
MTV fail.
MTV fails.
Thank you. Perfect timing. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you can look at it. That can take some more.
Thanks. Have a safe run. I wonder if there's anything this way. Ooh. Dude, it's just caking. This is the sickest thing ever. That was sick. Alright, I'm gonna head home before I start getting too much frostbite. That's probably the funnest thing I've ever done. I seriously doubt anyone's tried that before. Like, surrounding in the snow is way more fun than I even thought it could be. This is the funnest thing I've ever done. This tops snowboarding. This tops snowboarding, I swear. As long as there's no ice and it's just deep pow, this is the most fun thing I've ever done. Makes you want to stay in Colorado. Woo! I'm just trying to make it so my foot doesn't get any colder than it already is. So playing out in the snow for like an hour definitely gets it wicked cold. Man, oh man. I'm really hoping I didn't acquire like frostbite on my feet. That is actually the one thing I'm worried about. I kind of stopped caring. I was cold, which probably is actually really bad, but I'm not gonna lie, on the ride home, I was tweaking because I was really worried I was gonna get frostbite. I was really worried I already had frostbite, to be honest, but that was our ride. No frostbite on the feet. My fucking mouth's frozen, but we made it back. Holy crap.